Yes, places don't stay open anymore.
No, huh?
No.
It's not worth it. For not a business to come in, you're paying rent, you're paying electric, you're paying labor. It's not worth it.
So you, instead of closing at 10, you close at 8. You're still busy at 8, you stay open a little later.
Yeah, it plays by ear, sure. You get a late rush, that's something else, you know, you hang around. But,
Yeah.
I think he said 9 o'clock. You know, where you go, so. The apartment is 5 minutes from the place.
Okay.
You know, that's good. You can buy a bed.
That's always nice.
50 cents for, you know.
Yeah, so he's not
Once
even staying in
again,
Paulie's that long.
Huh?
we are back at my grandpa's
He's
house.
not even staying at Paul's that long.
No.
Tonight we're going to draw Elico.
What are you driving back to Florida? No, I'm going back to, that's what he told me.
Yeah, I know. I've already drawn him.
Oh my God, I didn't realize this.
But one fact you don't know, Elico has the ability to use attribute change. Yeah,
It's not that he never did it before.
I saw it
He did
happen. It happened twice.
Raising weekly income to that level. How'd he do it? He was putting out quality stuff.
Yeah, that don't happen overnight. You know,
It always took him a while to get to
You've
that
seen
level.
Prius and Elfin, right?
That's another one.
You've seen them change
Get to
color,
that level again. Who the hell knows?
along with
all
Saint
that
Nemesis.
money into marketing.
Of course it is.
And
Well, for
being
starters,
so familiar with social
Elico
media.
can transform into two different forms.
He put his living service.
There's Subterra
Okay.
and Chaos,
I think he said
the one Prius wasn't able to become.
The Grubhub and all that shit.
But at least he can turn Subterra like Prius
but
can.
he puts it on the price of the stuff.
You're right, right. I'll shut my mouth.
Sure.
Inflation, I don't know, he said, if people are full, they buy a pie, they got a meal. Which made sense, you know?
Yeah.
You could feed a,
It's still a relatively cheap dinner in comparison.
comparison, you're right, yeah, so.
Yeah, we used to, pie used to cost us like $8.
How is fucking pie don't cost $8 anymore?
No, now it's like $20, 20 something
Yeah, right,
dollars.
you bought kitchen coffee, that guy's $18, $20, $22 for fucking pie.
Yeah,
Holy shit. It was unheard of when we had that place.
yeah.
Here's his
Going to the
spike.
movies, I tell you, AMC
One thing about Elico, his Subterra form has drills.
$20 a person to get in. They give you a popcorn shit like that. It's you know, $60, $80 to go to the movies.
Absolutely crazy.
I won't go to AMC anymore.
I don't blame you. They go $60, $70 to go to a fucking movie?
What's that? You could go out to dinner.
Alright, now here's the other drill.
That's the story, I was
I've been
shocked.
wanting to draw Elico at my grandpa's house for like, I don't know how long, but you get the idea.
That's one of the reasons why I was too busy to come by. I didn't want to.
Oh my God.
I didn't want to be here when he broke the news.
Huh?
Now
I
here's
didn't
his
want to be here when he broke the news.
lower half.
When he broke the news?
When he broke the news.
Oh, what, last night when he was here? Yeah.
There. Now I can. There we are. Now then,
This goes anyways.
let's get
Biggest
started.
fucking travesty of justice. Yeah, they weaponized the FBI against parents complaining to their school board. That's Nazi. We're teaching the kids this whether you like it or not. And if you have a problem with it, the FBI is investigating it. The fuck is that?
Yeah. That is true. I told these fucking liberals.
And they're thrilled.
Maybe one thing that this guy Biden has done to help American people. They always dance around the fucking thing.
What are you doing?
They can't name one thing because he didn't do anything yet.
Guys, see Rob.
Now here's his feet.
Twitter every day. Slamming Trump. We got him. We got him.
Who's that?
Rob Reiner, meathead from
Oh,
out
that,
Chicago.
is that the ex-guy in charge of the Congress?
No, Rob Reiner, meathead from Archie Bunker, All in the Family.
That is,
Super liberal.
Oh, forget about it.
He said something the other day and I blasted him. I said, he said something about Trump and Stormy Daniels. I said, why don't we talk about the 16 trips that you took to Epstein Island? How come you're pretty quiet about that?
Did he?
Yep.
Here's his
Yep. Dead silence.
other side. Not bad.
That is all illegal monkey mucks.
You got Hunter's laptop, Hillary's emails, Fauci's research, and who else? There's something else I'm forgetting. And they're indicting Trump. Oh, and Biden's dealings with foreign governments.
Oh,
There we are.
put that at the top of the list.
Unbelievable.
Kyle,
Yeah,
do me a favor. Put that light on. Kyle,
the light. All right.
put the light.
Okay, we're almost there, folks. We got the drills done. One last thing are these tentacles that stick out of his back. Here's his arms. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw a Subterra Elico. If you thought that guy was good, you should check out his other forms. You can relax, guys. The next one will be strong as him. His Chaos form is unstoppable. But I prefer the Subterra one better. Especially his Blast Elico. Anyway, that's all for now, boys. Good night.